Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Dogman. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's start with a curve over to the left and back in. Now from the top, let's bring it down. Then a line out to the right. And at the end here, let's add a circle for the nose. Now inside, let's draw a curve at the top and another curve underneath. And then color the rest of the nose in black. Next, to continue the head under the nose, let's bring it down and curve it over. And then continue it across to close off the head. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop inside and let's draw the face. Let's start with two skinny ovals for the eyes. And color them both in black. Now let's hop over to the left here and let's draw a curve down and bring it all the way over to the right side. And then on the right, let's draw 3 small black circles. And that's it for the face. Next, let's move to the top and let's draw the hat. On the top left, let's draw a line up. Then let's bring it over to the right. Angle it back down underneath. And one small angle back in. Now on the bottom right corner, let's draw a curve out and back in for the brim of the hat. Now let's hop inside the hat and let's draw a line across. And then curve it up on both ends. Now let's angle it back in and down. And then one more point up in the center. And that's it for the hat. Lastly, for the head, let's draw the ears. On the left side, let's draw a curve out and back in. And then another one underneath that's slightly bigger. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw an angled line down on both sides, stopping here, leaving room for the hands. Now before we finish drawing the torso, let's move out and let's draw the arms. Let's start on the sides and let's draw an angle out. And then a shorter one underneath. Now from the lower line, let's draw a bump in for the first finger. And then 2 more bumps underneath. And now let's close off the arm with an angled line. Now inside each of the arms, let's draw a line across for the ends of the sleeves. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move back in and let's finish drawing the shirt. Underneath the hands, let's continue the angle down slightly on both sides. And then a line across at the bottom. Now let's hop inside the shirt and let's draw a curve near the bottom here. Then let's curve it up and in on both sides. Now let's angle it down and one more point in the center. Next, we're going to hop up, and where the head and the shirt meet, let's draw some stitch lines across. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and let's draw the legs. Let's start with 2 lines down in the center, and 2 more angling it in on the sides. Now underneath, let's draw a curve out and back around for the feet. And that's it for Dogman. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!